First, the objective of financial system. What is the main objective of financial system? Is to create link between the savers and investors. Then to create, establish regular, smooth and efficient market. When there is market, money market, capital market, they should function smoothly and efficiently so that the investors and the saver has to get profit. To increase the savings and investment. This is in simple terms, so I'm just reading it out. To encourage the savings and investment, to facilitate the expansion of market. When there is market, the market has to earn profit, more investor has to invest their money or capital. So, and there's expansion of financial market goal to mobilize the resources, to create asset for use of people, to facilitate economic development of the country, to promote for efficient allocation of financial resource. These are the basic financial systems objectives. So we will move to our next video. So here we have functions and role of financial system in India. What are the function and role played by financial system in India? First one, it is liquidity function. The most important function of financial system is to provide money and monetary asset. Monetary assets which have the value, the monetary asset for the production of goods and services. Monetary assets are those assets that can be converted into cash or money. Here, monetary asset, it is for banking and all that can be converted into cash or money easily without the loss of value. All the activities in the financial systems are related to liquidity, either provision of liquidity or trading in the liquidity. Once again, I will read. All the activities in the financial systems are related to liquidity, either by provision of liquidity or trading, whether by provision provided by the monetary system or by trading the liquidity. It is the main function of financial system. Next one, it is payment function. The financial system offers a very convenient mode of payment of goods and services. The check system and the credit card system are the easiest method of payment in economy. The cost and time of transactions are considered to considerably reduced. In today's we have familiar with the word online transaction or online marketing, in which payments are done by online transfers and all. So in previously we have to go in banks and stand for hours of time to get a single transaction to be done, but in today's world it is very easy and most cost and time convenient for payment function. The financial system offer very convenient mode for payment system. This is also a main role of financial system. Next one, it is saving function. An important function of financial system is to mobilize saving and channelize them into a productive activity. First one, it is to mobilize savings, to encourage savings and channelize them into use them in a particular and a most productive manner. It is through the financial system that the savings are transferred into investment. Whenever we save into banks, bank further provides loan to other people, and then our savings can be transformed into investment. This is also a main role of financial system, saving function. Then risk function. The financial market provide protection against the life, health and income risk. These guarantees are accomplished through sale of life, health insurance, property insurance policies. Here, whenever there is a business or an investment, no doubt there is a risk. We cannot eliminate risk completely from a corporate world, or so this type of financial system provide protection against life and the income risk. Financial market, there should be minimum risk. Sometimes the investor takes maximum type of risk to increase profit, but the financial system work for the interest of the investment to reduce the risk and provide protection for their savings or investment. Next, it is transfer function. The financial system provides a mechanism for transfer of resources across geographical boundaries. The financial system has to perform a role of transferring funds from who a surplus and hence lend to those who expose them to the deficit or borrow fund. Same, where we study about savings, the financial system has to perform the role of transferring funds from whenever there is a surplus, there should be used to recover the deficit. Whenever the lender lend the money, there is a borrower, so it transfer. Here one person transferred his funds to him, he transferred his funds to another person. So these are the then reformatory function. A financial system undertake the functions of developing, introducing innovative financial assets, instrument and services, and practice and restructure the existing asset, service, etc. to cater to the emerging needs of borrower and investment. More types of activities had been undertaken by financial systems, so that the most type of innovative methods are involved. Then financial assets, more type, so that the investor can get more profit. The investor can get more security for his investment. This kind of instruments that financial market launch for the betterment of investor or the market and for the economic development also. Even financial system plays an important role in the economic development also. So next, this is important for your exam. This is structure or design of Indian financial system. First one, it is in our previous video we have just gone through this, the main points. Now we will see the other points of this, and in our next video we will go detail about these points. So here the financial system. Then next it is financial institution. What are the financial institution in India? The first one, it is banking institution like State Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, this kind of a bank. Then non-banking institution. In banking institution there is commercial banks, then corporate banks. Commercial bank, that is State Bank, Syndicate Bank. Corporate bank, that is KDCC Corporate Bank, Shirshi Urban Cooperative Bank. Regional Rural Bank means Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. Then foreign bank means American Bank. Then next, in the commercial banks there are two types, public bank and private bank. Then we will see about financial market, that is unorganized and organized. In unorganized, we will see unorganized, there are many. So we will see in our detailed video about unorganized. Here we will see about organized, that is capital market, that is long-term market, money market, that is for short-term market. Then capital market, in which primary market, then in secondary market. Then financial assets and instrument, there are many, that is treasury bills, short-term bills, T-bills. Then financial service are fund-based service, fee-based service. In fund-based service they are leasing, hire purchase, money, consumer credit, bill discounting, factoring, insurance, and etc. We will study about detail about this. Leasing, what is meaning of leasing, hire purchase, consumer credit, bill discounting, factorial, insurance, etc. And in fee-based service, that is issue management, merchant banking, credit rating, debt restructuring, short debt restructuring, stock broking, etc. These are financial service. We will see about detail how these are going to be. In today's video, it is just the classification. Financial assets where we study there can be exchange of warrant here, financial assets or innovative asset, debt equity, capital gain bonds, interest bonds. These are the main points we will study. Here it is just I had given you to know the basic structure. So you have to write it in your notes. The financial institution. This is the important question from your examination point. We will study about its detail in our next video, but remember these points, important points. So with this we will end. Thank you.